we're in this getting hit by this rain right now. I thought this would be rain. It's just sprinkling. So, I mean, we're literally we're just getting hit by it just now. It's just starting. I thought this was gonna be a little stronger. This is just kind of sprinkling with a little bit of wind. It's not even that strong, but I mean, I thought that would be a little stronger than that, but you know, well, right now it's starting to pick up a little. But I mean, at least I won't have to water my plants today. This will give them some water. You know, nothing's really wet. And yesterday was Sunday was the worst pollen day in about history, I think we had. Alright, now it's starting to pick up. There we go. At least I won't have to water my plants at my house. Ooh, let me go in. But yeah, it's starting to pick up now. That's good. Won't have to water my banana plant. Well, it is starting to rain a little more now than it was. And this is also the last day of March, but wow, that looks pretty cool. Everything's looking good. Yeah, I definitely won't have to water anything today. No watering today. Maybe even tomorrow. But it'll probably rain a couple more minutes and then it'll stop. But yeah. Look at that. That's crazy wind right there. That wind is insane.
Give me one of those wipes so I can wipe this off over here.
This does show it's pretty windy out here. Ow. I probably shouldn't be doing that. Wow, it is wind crazy. Let me go check. There is a tornado watch. It's windy, pretty. It's pretty windy, so. Now it's getting really strong. Ah! Oh my god, I think there is a tornado. We're getting out of here. We're getting out of here. We are getting out of here. There's a tornado. We really do need to get out of here. Oh my god. My gosh. Gee. The power did go out from that storm, but making everything look green, so that's nice.